Yaude urangba ubalayo kenapo Delhi la arbnai menta uday bala chatwet halo ke jingdon kti ke jong u ban penyat yo drok pe an ubakya hadu ndospa 1000 gram house name arjar khatwe habai kran berkilat pathai khubor u superintendent of custom u di Bhattacharjee ulaito bekilawan ra yo ne Moses na Delhi sheshalong hadin bo la shakem hagibnai ke bradet Kadkum kejong Bhattacharjee yau Moses lawara sheshalong ban penlong ya kejing besar halo kejing keno don kti ban penyat yo drok besong dor hadu arpolak house name arajar khatwe hadin bau da petri u superintendent ulaito ru ba kejing besar yo Moses kanlong hapo district and session court.
He is a Nigerian national.
Okay.
He is involved in a narcotics case. Brown sugar was seized in Shillong in 2011, 645 grams.
Brown sugar
in Shillong only.
Okay.
He was the
Which year?
2011. After that, we could not locate him. He was absconding. 2 months back, he was detained in Delhi, and we issued red alert for his arrest, and he has been detained there in Delhi, and now on court's order we have brought him for production before the Honorable Court in Shillong. No doubt it is a long old case, but still there are other members who are involved and all.
This time any seizure?
No, now just he has been detained in Delhi and we brought him. And he was caught in Delhi by Delhi police. Then we issued...
2 months, huh?
Yeah, last 2 months. We issued red alert notice. On the basis of that, the immigration persons, they detained him. And they intimated us, and accordingly we went and... No, another person is already in jail custody in this case.
What was his name?
His name is Gideon Siam. Should be. Because he absconded. When the case was detected in 2011, after that, we got him today only. And for these narcotics and all, the message should be clear that the department is very strict.
Okay.
There is no leniency for narcotics. 4 years, 5 years, we will pursue, we will catch. This is harming our society, our children, our boys.
So were you working like the Delhi police?
Yeah, we coordinate with Delhi Police, Narcotics Control Bureau, everything. But for narcotics, it's very strict department. There is nothing that we should catch. This is our motto. We issued red alert notice to all the airports and all, that if you get this person, you restrict him and inform us. And accordingly, he was caught.